Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel EverVision 14-in-1 advanced eye formula subscription. This is the product. When you make a purchase of this product on their official website, they activate subscription on your account in some of the cases, okay? Because when you forget to untick the option of auto refill, or you by mistake if you have taken subscribe and save option, they will activate subscription on your account, okay? And you need to cancel, otherwise you have to pay lots of fees in the form of subscription. So how you can cancel? So you need to visit on their official website, tryivision.com. This is the official website, and you can see this is the official website link, okay? tryevervision.com, okay? So when you visit on the official website, in the very bottom side there is a section like information, and you need to tap on manage subscription, okay? And when you tap on manage subscription, it will redirect you on this kind of page like customer portal login. You need to provide your email, and you need to enter your register email, and once you enter your register email, you need to click on send link. And once you click on send link, they will send you a link on your email. By using the link you can manage your subscription. This is the only, you can say like only method by which you can cancel your subscription of EverVision 14-in-1 advanced eye care formula, okay? So now if you have any other issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.